Hey everyone! Today I'm going to show you how to set up GoHighLevel's reputation management feature to help your clients generate more positive reviews and improve their online presence. This is a powerful tool that can bring massive results, and you can charge $97 to $297 a month for this service alone. Connect Google and Facebook. First, log into your client's sub-account and connect their Google My Business and Facebook profiles. This allows you to generate direct review links and monitor feedback easily.
The first thing that you want to do is just go inside of your client's sub account, and what you're going to want to do right away is connect their Google My Business profile to their sub account. So we can easily do that by clicking this button right here. All you want to do is log into the Google My Business profile, and just like that, we can now generate a Google review link. Now, the next thing that you want to do is just come over here to the left, and you just want to click on the tab that says reputation, and this is going to take you to the reputation management feature. Now, to finish setting up this feature, you just want to come over here to the settings. And now the first thing that we want to set up is our review link. So I'm just going to click right here. So right here, we can set up our Google review link, our Facebook review link, or we can add a custom link right here. So to set this up, if you connected Google, all you want to do is click right here, and right here, you'll be able to see your link, and then the same with Facebook. So if you want to generate your Facebook review link, all you want to do is come over here, and right here, you can just connect your Facebook like that. Now let's just go back.
Go to Reputation, Settings, Review Request. Enable SMS Review Request. You can even include images and customize the tone to match your client's brand.
Over here to SMS review request. This is where we can customize the look of our review request SMS. So if we just enable this right here, we can start customizing our text message. Now, if you want to send an image with this text message, you could, and this can be your logo or another graphic that you want to add to the text. If I click right here, I can choose my logo, and then all I have to do is switch this on.
Use AI, like ChatGPT, to create compelling messages that encourage customers to leave reviews.
And you're going to see the image right here. Now, the next thing that you want to do is write a review request SMS. So if you don't want to write this out manually using your own brain, we can use ChatGPT to help us do this. So with ChatGPT, all I'm going to do is ask it to write me a review request SMS for a solar business using this review link. So this link right here is a custom value, and this will automatically pull our review link that we set up right here. So I'm just going to go ahead and click on enter, and let's just wait for this to load. This is the message that it gave us. Hi, contact first name. We hope you're enjoying the benefits of your new solar system. Your feedback helps us improve and grow. If you could spare a moment, we would love to hear your thoughts. And then right here's our review link. So I'm just going to copy this message right here, and let's just paste this right here. So there we go. We now have a text message that we can send out. Now right here where it says when to send SMS after check-in, we can do immediately. And then right here, if you want it to repeat, you can, but for now we can just leave it on don't repeat. So there we go. We now have a text message that we can send out to request a review. Now,
enable email review request.
Says email review request, and we're going to pretty much do the same thing but for the email. So what I'm going to do is just enable this, and now we can start customizing our email. Now when writing out this email, we can just do the same thing. We can use ChatGPT to help us write out this content. So right here, I just went ahead and said write me a review request email for a solar business using this link. I'm going to click right here, and ChatGPT is going to write us an email that we can use. So let's just wait for this to load. Now, if you don't like this email or the SMS, you can just ask ChatGPT to write you a new one. So right here, I'm just going to copy the subject, and let's go back. And right here for the email subject, we can just paste that right here. And then all of this is going to be the same as the SMS. Now to customize this email, we're going to have to open this email builder. So I'm just going to click right here, and this is going to pop up the email builder. So here's what the builder looks like, and you can start by adding your logo right here. So I'm just going to click this, upload from media library, and now I'm just going to click on our logo. So here it is. Here's our logo. Now for this message right here, we can just go ahead and copy our email. So I'm just going to copy this and go back. And right here, let's just go ahead and delete this and paste in our email. So there you go. And we can actually make this look better up here. So I'm just going to delete this whole entire thing, and let's just add an image, and let's re-upload our logo. So I'm just going to click right here, and we can actually make this smaller. So let's try 200. So now where it says share your feedback, you can just copy this and then click right here where it says link text. And right here, you can just paste in your review link. Also right here for the button, you can click on the button, change the color of the button, change the text of the button. And then right here where it says link URL, you can just paste in your review link right here. And then when you're done, you just want to save this. And now let's go back. And there you go. Our email now populated right here.
Automate review management. Enable review balancing to distribute reviews evenly between platforms.
If you take a look right here, we have a feature called review balancing. And if you enable this feature, what this will do is automatically distribute your reviews on Facebook and Google. So this will just make sure that your reviews are spread evenly and that you're improving your online reputation on different platforms. So if you come over here to configure balance, right here you can set up the percentage of where you want to send out those reviews. So
use Review AI to automatically respond to reviews based on your preferences. Customize how AI handles reviews by selecting response timing and star rating thresholds.
this feature is called Reviews AI, and right here you're going to get two options. If you enable suggestive, this is still pretty much going to be manual. What this will do is AI will just give you some suggestions on what you can say back to that review. But if you have autopilot enabled, AI will straight up respond to that review for you, and you pretty much don't have to do anything. So over here, we can choose our sources. We can have AI respond to Google reviews and Facebook reviews. And then over here where it says auto response, we can choose the rating that we want the AI bot to respond to. So if you want the bot to respond to every single review that you get, you can just choose all. And then if you want the bot to only respond to good reviews, you can choose 4 stars and above or 5. And then right here, you can choose a wait time. So we can do something like 5 minutes. So after 5 minutes, the AI bot will automatically respond to the review. And then right here, you can just add a footer. Now, just like that, AI will respond to every single review that comes in through the business. And if you're offering this feature to your clients, this will just make your offer even more irresistible. This AI feature will save your client a ton of time from having to come in here, respond to every single review that they're getting manually. So this is great because if we can get our client to do as little as possible, but to get a ton.
Generate QR codes and widgets. Create QR codes for in-store use, making it easy for customers to leave reviews.
But for now, let's go on to the next tab, which is Reviews QR. So right here, we can actually generate a QR code for our client. So whenever our client's customer scans this QR code, they're automatically going to be taken to your client's Google My Business listing where they can leave a review. So let's just create a new one. Again, you're going to be taken inside of a builder like this, and you can customize this to your liking. Click right here, add your logo to it. You can add whatever text that you want. So this QR code will automatically take whoever scans it to the review link. So once you're done customizing this, you can just save this. And now you'll see your QR code right here, and you can create multiple ones if you want.
Add review widgets to your client's website to showcase positive feedback.
Widgets, and this is a widget that will showcase all of your clients' reviews, and you can put this widget on any landing page, website, blog, whatever, and this widget will just show off the reviews. So to edit this widget, you can just come over here, click on this button, and then if you come over here to review source, you can choose to display your Google reviews, Facebook reviews, or all. And then over here you can choose your widget type, so you can just see which one that you like the best. And then right here you can choose the max number of reviews that you want to display, so we can do something like 10. And then let's just go ahead and save this, and then you can name this whatever you want. Now to use this feature, if you just go to sites, and then let's just say this is our client's website right here, I'm going to show you how to connect that widget with this website. So if we just click on edit, let's just scroll over here, and let's say that we want to add the widget right here. I'm just going to delete this, and all you want to do to add this widget to this website is click on add element, and then you just want to scroll down here until you see the feature that says reviews. And just like that, your review widget will automatically appear on this website, displaying all of your reviews. So that's it.
With GoHighLevel's reputation management, you'll help your clients build a stronger online presence while earning consistent monthly revenue. Like and subscribe for more tips, and check out the links below to get started.